my god, guys, it's fucking snowing out here in Portland, and it came out of nowhere. Like, literally 2 days ago, it was a totally normal day. I had no clue that it was gonna snow like this, but it is snowing hard as hell right now, and it's so pretty. I thought I would just try to make a snowman, because I don't remember the last time it snowed this hard. I actually got lucky, and yesterday after work, like, it was actually kind of a crazy day at work yesterday. Like, it started snowing while I was working for Amazon, so, you know, driving, and I was actually at one point delivering to a boathouse, and I swear to God, guys, I almost fucking died, because the brakes, I was driving the E-van, and the brake, there's no emergency brake, like, it's all automatic, so that bitch just kept on slipping and slipping, and I am not gonna lie, my life flashed before my eyes in that very moment, because it was inching down to the water, to the goddamn lake. So I could have died, or I could have just like crashed into someone's boathouse and got sued or something. So crazy. But after that shift, I literally immediately called out, and it turns out that Amazon is fully just like not operating at all today. So it kind of worked out in the end, and it's just been such a chill day. Like, you know, especially since like tomorrow I'm already off, so it's 2 days off in a row. I don't remember the last time I had 2 days off in a row. So I'm chilling. I woke up early this morning. I did my workout, and it's just been a good day. It's literally snowing right now. Let's go out there. I have yet to go out. My catio is kind of needing some repair. So here's how it's looking out here. This is crazy. See that big old droop? It's drooping. So snowy. Trying to get out here. Whew. It's looking like it's a good, goddamn, looks like it's a good, good, at least like maybe 8 inches of snow. Like, this is insane. My hands are already frozen, so I don't know how much longer I can stay out here. Okay, I think the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to shovel out this thing, because my little door window doesn't even open all the way. So I got my shovel here. My fucking hands, I wish I had better gloves. My hands hurt. I'm gonna have to go and get better gloves real quick. Goddamn. All right, I got some new gloves. And here's the progress. Now I can fully open this thing up. What's up, Teddy? Cheddar's too cold to go out. Cheddar, you're gonna have to move. Move then. All right. I think I'm gonna try to knock all that snow off so it can, you know, not lean down on it. I can't even stand up over there. Let's see what I can do. I think I got it all. Wow, it's snowing a lot now. But now I actually want to make the snowman, so this is fucking crazy. It's snowing into my room. put some drops on the... I literally do not know how to make a snowman. So I'm gonna fuck with some things and then I'll pop back. Give me a second. Ooh. I got my third pair of gloves and I am still struggling. I don't know how to make a snowman, as I said. So well, this little thing is my snowman, and I couldn't do a better job. So I got these big ass rocks for eyes, but I don't even think they're gonna be able to hold all that. It's gonna be a snowman without eyes, but with a nose and a little hair. It's looking cute. It actually doesn't look like a snowman at all, but it's okay. Anyways, it's still snowing very lightly. I'm scared for that big old thing to fall down, because if you look here, all this could fall down and then I'll be trapped in there, and then when it all melts, it'll just be a bunch of water. But I'm sure I'll be fine either way. Yeah. Anyways, a shitty snowman. I might come out here again later and try again to make a snowman, but I don't know. It's hard and it's cold. My fingers are already frozen. It seems like it's taking like maybe like 5 minutes for your fingers to get too cold to be out here. So I think I'm gonna go back inside and hang out and chill. So that's it. Goodbye.